A surprise early morning inspection was carried out across multiple jails in Sambalpur district on Monday, with authorities confirming that no objectionable items were recovered during the operation. The checks were conducted simultaneously at Sambalpur Circle Jail as well as sub-jails in Redhakol and Kuchinda. Officials described the exercise as part of routine monitoring measures aimed at ensuring security and compliance within correctional facilities. The operation at Sambalpur Circle Jail began in the early hours with teams comprising 2 additional superintendents of police, 1 SDPO, and officers from various police stations entering the premises. A thorough inspection of all cells and barracks was carried out during the search. The inspection was conducted in the presence of the Sambalpur sub-collector, who oversaw the proceedings in the capacity of executive magistrate. Following the inspection, officials confirmed that no illegal items including mobile phones were seized from the jail premises. The exercise has been described as part of routine monitoring, reinforcing the administration's commitment to maintaining discipline and security inside correctional facilities.
पाखी सकाळ 5:45 रे टीम जेल भीतर एंटर कले रूटीन चेकअप सेमती कोनोसी ऑब्जेक्शनेबल जिंस आज किसी मिलेनी ओवरऑल जेल रो जहाँ भी हमर रेगुलर चेकअप हवा कथा सब इंस्पेक्शन हवा कथा सेटा इंस्पेक्शन करा हेची एंड टैगलाइन इज की कोनोसी ऑब्जेक्शनेबल जिंस रिकवर करा हेनी
संबलपुर सर्कल जेल कुचिना जेल एवं रेढ़ाकोल जेल रे साइमल्टेनियसली हमर सरप्राइज चेक कराइतला लोकल ऑफिसर इंस्पेक्टर एसटीपीओ प्लस सब कलेक्टर एवं एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट नहीं हमर ड्राइव कराइतला एवं सर्कल जेल जो हम ड्राइव कराला सेथरे जो हमर जो टीम शामिल थिले हम प्रति सेल को एवं प्रति वार्ड को हम सर्च करथिलु सेथरे कोनोसी प्रकार ऑब्जेक्शनल आर्टिकल्स यथा मोबाइल फोन हो मोबाइल सिम हो अन्य कौन मादक द्रव्य इत्यादि मिलला नहीं।